All right, the watch list video for Tuesday, January 9th. I really struggled today. I absolutely sucked. The SPY, another strong day. I'm going to show you something here. These are all gains I had. You can see I took screenshots from TradeStation. 4 different trades there. You can see the gains over here on the right. Normally you'd say, hey, that's a pretty good day. Except I had a few others and one ugly one that didn't follow through, and I ended up plus $25 on the day. So that's how bad I struggled today. And again, I had some decent trades, but just couldn't get a handle on the market today at all. Still haven't had a. I shouldn't say this. I know I shouldn't say it. Still haven't had a red day since Halloween. But man, I tried today. Anyway, real quick, I'm gonna. You know what? The webinar we're doing, the free webinar this Thursday. Let me find the graphic. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link to that in the description to this video to make it easier on everybody. So there's the graphic. I'm just telling you when it is. You can see it right there, January 11th, 7:30. That's Thursday, and we're going to be talking about fear, all different kinds of fear, but how fear affects your trading, and it should be really good. Wayne does a great job of putting these webinars together, and he's told me I can't. I said, hey, can we treat this like one of our happy hours? And he said I can't drink for it. So I guess it's going to be a little bit more serious than our happy hours, but I'm looking forward to it. And if you can, click the link in the description of this video and get registered. And then we'll see you there on Thursday. Let me go into the watch list. I am not in love with the watch list, but maybe that's just because I traded crappy today. And nothing really followed through that well. But here's what I've got for the list. I have to zoom in a little bit. CHFS, really nice volume spike today. Closing pretty strong, so we're going to be looking for like maybe a red to green in that one tomorrow. We'll have to watch it, but certainly interesting. CNET had the huge move, red day, then a gap down today, and you're kind of closing in the middle of its range. So it goes on watch, but I have no kind of preconceived notions of what I'm looking for. I'm just going to watch a trade and see if it gives a low-risk setup. FRSX, I think some deal with NVIDIA or something, NVDA. So, that's kind of a big name, and it had big volume for this stock. Closing well off its highs, though. So it had a range from 487 to 730. That's a huge range. Definitely worth watching tomorrow for a low-risk setup. Again, I don't really know what to expect there. TNDM, I think Wayne called this one in chat over 270 today. Really nice call by him. And a nice little kind of breaking out of a month and a half's worth of trading. And you have this gap up here, kind of above this island. So maybe a red to green or something like that in TNDM tomorrow. MYO, kind of sideways now for, I don't know, two weeks or so. So this one's kind of interesting for a potential long. I'm looking for a possible breakout of this range. Again, you can kind of tell by my tone, I'm not in love with this list. NEPT, the pot stocks are super strong. They're kind of right back up. Most of them right back up near recent highs. And this one has put in a couple red days. So this one goes on potential bounce watch tomorrow. That's NEPT, NETE, another red day. Kind of looking at a potential double bottom and right near the 20-day today. This one is, I don't know, 5 red days in a row after the gap up. Pretty good and down to support. So pretty good candidate for a move up tomorrow. We'll see. No trades in it today. YECO did this spike and pretty much round tripped on Friday, but then today right back up. So this one I kind of like it over today's high over 389. That might get it through 4 and then maybe through the high from Friday, which was 420. And this one does make big spikes at times, as you can see here, here, and here. So I kind of like this setup. Getting decent volume for the stock lately too. VSI was on watch today, and there's no trades in it, but I do like the setup still. You had the high volume pop on Friday and kind of a quiet inside day, but closing near its highs today. So I like it over today's high, over 533 maybe, with a potential catalyst of then a break of this 545 from Friday. This one has, I like the inside day here. Might get a third day play there. RENN, R-E-N-N, had the gap down today, right around the 20-day, and had a really nice move, but closing off of its high, so that's kind of like some of the others. Just going to go on watch tomorrow and see if it gives any kind of setup. And lastly, CCXI, which had the big spike, then an inside day, and then touchdown. But look what happens when I go to 15-minute candles here. Look at the relationship it has. It ripped through 9 on the gap up day, and then put in a lower high right at 9, right at 9 here again. So I like this one over 9. That might be enough to get it through this 950. The high of the gap up day. And that's it. I swear, I'm not in love with this list at all. We'll also find some gappers in the morning. And I'm going to trade a little bit more cautiously because I keep telling everyone that, December was amazing. Best month I had all year. And so far, January's been amazing. There's a combination. I didn't trade well today, but also there was a distinct lack of follow through on a lot of the setups that I look for. And so that's always, I've been saying that I'm probably just going to keep my foot on the gas. And one of these days, I'm probably going to hit my max down limit for the day and have to quit trading. And that'll sort of be my wake up call that, okay, the market's changing a bit. I didn't hit a max down. Like I said, I made $25 today. But there was a lack of follow through, but it could just be a slow Monday. So anyway, I always try to, when I feel a little bit or see a little bit of kind of, I don't want to say lousy action, but non follow through setups, I want to pass that along to you guys and let you know that at least have your feelers on and kind of be a little bit more defensive. That's what I'm going to do, and we'll see if things start just working great again tomorrow. My foot's going right back on the gas, but I'm entering tomorrow with a little bit of caution and don't want to do anything stupid. So I'm going to take it a little bit easier and see how things trade. And we'll be back at this again tomorrow. Have a great night.